Okay, I'll put the windbreaker on. It's still kind of breezy today, but we're blessed with a couple of days before the rain starts again. So let's look at another one that I wrote down early in the wee hours. CR, that C-shaped root S2L 356R. Remember, that's S2L, and I spelled it out there. Here I just wrote S2L. Here I spelled out the S2L, just a little more information. Sometimes you might forget. So we're going to do the CR S2L. Let's see where that is. All right, there's the CR S2L in green, 356 root. Okay, back over here, we're going to do the CR S2L to a root arpeggio, to root arpeggio to an S3XL. Okay, there's our root arpeggio. C to root to the third to the fifth. Now notice that it goes then to an S3XL, but it's going to be warped over. The top two have to be warped over with the tuning warp. Okay, so we're going to be playing that. We're going to be playing an S3L, S2L from the CR there. Then we're going to take it into a root arpeggio. Let's just change the color for that. Into a root arpeggio C, root 3. Now notice there's overlap here, and I noticed that when I was planning these things. So that's what we're going to be doing. On the piano, maybe we should look at this, okay? So it'd be 3, 5, 6, root. And then root 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5, 6, root 3, 5, and then we're going to go scalular up like a Dorian scale. So it's 5. Remember now, it's not pentatonic now. This is diatonic. The S3XL, the S2L, and the X3L are diatonic. It's just that with the S2L and the S3L, or if you take away the fourth and the seventh, it gives you the pentatonic. I don't really use the S3XL for pentatonic yet. We did a class on that, and you know, it can be done. Again, you just don't play the 4 or the 7. So in the S3XL, you wouldn't play this 7, you wouldn't play this 4, and you get this 5, 6, full root 2, 3 middle line, middle string, and then over to the 5, 6 again. That's all it is. 5, 6, root 2, 3, 5, 6. 5 note scale. So, but in this case, we're going to a diatonic. So it's pentatonic here, and then we'll go into a triad, then we'll go into a diatonic. It should be like 3, 5, 6, root 3, 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. I'll try it one more time. Something like that. How do you play it? I'm not going to be able to play it that fast. I'm just not with it today. Not that with it. No. I don't know what I'm with, but not it. Alright, so the 3, we're going to, now I know this is an S2L, so I can just go like that. Now these things are going to connect like glue, okay? So now we go to the G-shaped arpeggio, or C-shaped arpeggio, but from the second string. I mean, not from the second string, because that would be up here. Okay, so it's, you know, pretty much a root arpeggio. Alright, so we've got, alright, and then we're going to go right into that alright, from there it's was thinking of something there. So you can make it musical like that until you fall off your horse or something like that. But that's another thing about this fingernail of mine. It likes to catch strings, and plus my eyes. But apologize for that. I don't have the time to create a perfect cut thing with all these cuts in it that I'll cut every little teeny little but once you get these patterns going, let's say you're just doing a C shape, don't feel bad about taking your time and going back and forth a little bit. And you'll find it ended on a root there. I suggest that you first do it by ear and don't try to. The reason why I messed up probably was because I wanted to do something, but I didn't do it in a timely manner. I got ahead of myself. But try to use your ear on it first. And then when you've done enough, like meandering around and stuff like that, do a little bit of ear training, then start paying attention to, oh, that sounded good. What note did I land on? And you'll find that a lot of these patterns, they have the whole trick about modal scales is where you're starting, where you're finishing. I mean, you've got all these notes. But what makes like Dorian special is it starts on the D and ends on the D. All right. So I think that reminds me, we want to get to that transition. Okay, so we did this, and this was supposed to be its own little separate box there. CR-S3XL to GR-shaped pentatonic. Let's look at that one. CR-S3XL, 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to G pentatonic. So that would be just root 2, 3, 5, 6 root. Notice how once we get to the 5, 6 here, okay, we can either go into a diatonic there, so it's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 root 2. Now that would be our S3L. Okay, let's try it. It'd be something like and then that doesn't connect very well. I just wrote these things this morning. The way it should connect is it should have note overlap. Okay, so we're looking at a pattern here. This is CR S3XL to GR shaped pentatonic, and like I say, CR S3XL is going to be 5, 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.